I have a selection of old garments here which I'm upcycling. Some I've already cut up and some I haven't. Um, this particular piece here was a man's silk shirt. These were all bought over the years, often in America or Canada when I was teaching, but sometimes in Ireland. So that has already been cut up. Here's a bomber jacket, another very patterned piece. Beautiful fabric, beautiful silk, but not something that anybody would necessarily wear as a jacket now. Here's an evening dress. It's silk chiffon over some sort of an artificial lining. But when I gather them all together, it can be really difficult to make a selection or make a choice when I'm wanting to incorporate them into a new piece. So what I like to do is take one of the pieces. I'm just going to take this one here as an example. So I will actually look at this highly patterned piece and I will say to myself, okay, now, are there any other colors on my table that might clash or complement this? And it's got this actually very nice yellowish color, but it's also got this chocolatey brown. So I have some fabric here. It feels very stiff. I'm not even sure what it is, but this was an evening top. And in fact, those colors go very well there together. And the bit of sheen can be quite nice in a nuno felted piece. And then I want something to tone it down. So I also have some cream silk, which is a very heavy silk. So I'm just going to put these aside. So the pattern, the plain, and that. So that could be a color combination. And in fact, I might put turquoise behind that, or I might put black. I might even put that orangey color. I would usually choose a background color that is contained within the patterned fabric. And if I look at these ones here, this one could actually also have that plain cream silk. But surprisingly, when I look through the lens of the camera, the tones of this are very similar. So in fact, I could combine both of those two pieces with some cream silk and maybe even some of the green. So they mightn't at first glance look as if they would work together, but actually I think they might, because there is some green here as well. So anyway, I'm just going to make a selection of pieces, and I think I've actually done it. I'm going to just go with these. I'm going to get some wool and I'm going to lay out a piece of mosaic nuno felt.